Hello everyone, and welcome to today's consumer tip video. My name is Stefanson. I'm the Vice President here at Consumer Protection BC, but I'm also a parent and a homeowner here in Victoria. Now, I'm not very handy around my house, so if I'm looking to do a home renovation or a major repair, I'm probably going to hire someone to do it for me. Now, if you hire someone to do this type of work, you're entering into what's called a future performance contract. Now, we encourage you to always get that contract in writing and read it very carefully to make sure that it is legal. But how do you know if it's legal? Well, in British Columbia, the law says that a contract of this type needs to include certain information. For example, it needs to have contact information about the company that you're hiring. It needs to include a detailed list of the work that's going to be done. It needs to describe the costs for the project and when payments have to be made. Now, in most cases, the work will be done just as you had hoped, on time and on budget, and you'll be very happy with it. But let's talk briefly about what your cancellation rights are. Now, you may be able to cancel a future performance contract if you do not get a written copy within 15 days, or if that copy does not include all the information that I mentioned earlier in this video. Contracts are very complicated, and each one is unique and different. So Consumer Protection BC is here to help. If you go to our website, we have lots of information about future performance contracts, your obligations, your rights, and when you can cancel them. Alright, I hope you've learned a little bit in this video today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content in the future. Goodbye for now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Consumer Tips video.